Blissful morning to all my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace. Children, before I start my work, first of all, I welcome you all to the new session and I feel proud that all of my kids have done very well in your previous class. So, once again, very congratulations to you all, and I hope you will keep up the high spirits and study in the same way as you did in the previous class and reach the same heights. Before I start my work, I want to introduce you myself, your new English teacher. My name is Aarti Neja and I will be taking up your English. And nice to meet you all, children. Now before I start my work, let's take the Ashirwad of Mata Rani, because all of us know that nowadays Navratri week is going on. So let's take her Ashirwad, her blessings, and start our today's work and new session. Children, today I will be taking up a grammar topic with you. But what is that topic? I will tell you afterwards. Rather, you will guess it first and then I will tell you. By looking at few pictures, I will show you few slides and few pictures and you will guess the topic. So let's get started. Shall I start? Sure, children, shall I start? Okay, children. But again, before starting, two things I want you to tell you. That is, children, start speaking in English from today onwards. Each and every child will speak in English at home. Even when you are attending online classes with teachers, beta, please speak in English. And when you are not attending the classes, try to speak small sentences in English at home. It will make you happy and your parents will also come to know that you are learning English, but which is the basic criteria of sending you to such a nice school. So your parents should feel happy and proud of you. Yes, am I right, beta? So please start speaking in English. Don't worry whether you're speaking right or wrong. Just speak in English. I hope you will listen to me and follow it. And I will be very happy for you all if you try it from today onwards. Chalo beta, let's get back to studies. So I'm showing you the first slides. So what you can see here, yes, you can see a picture of a boy, a school, a giraffe, a pen. Here we can see a nurse, boy, girl, gardener, traffic police. Here you can see different places, different countries like Egypt, Greece, Italy. These are the symbols of different places: UK, China, India, Australia. Banana, aeroplane, iron, axe, guitar, lamp, car, ring, butterfly, ant, bird, bat, camel, puppy, octopus, eagle. So here you can see many pictures. So can you guess the topic with the help of all these pictures? Any guesses? So yes, beta, right guess. I hope you have guessed it. Today we are taking up the topic nouns. Now children, I showed you 4 to 5 slides and I asked you what are their names and you told me. There was not a single picture which didn't have its name. Yes or no? So what are nouns? Nouns is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Means names given to any person, place, animal or a thing is called a noun. Very short and simple answer is everything is a noun, because wherever you look around you, whether you are at home, school, market, hill station, anywhere in the world, even if you look up in the sky, wherever you can see, whatever you can see has a name. So, in short, you can say what are nouns? Everything is a noun. Everything on this earth, universe, planets, everywhere, each and everything, even a small dust particle has a name. So, everything is a noun. I hope, children, the meaning of noun is clear to you. Now, children, nouns are the basic elements of a sentence. Yes, it's important part of a sentence. Basic element here means basic part of a sentence. You can see almost every sentence has one or the other kind of a noun. Everything in the world has a name, and all these are known as nouns. And the second name of noun is a naming word. So, if you want to speak in English, you need to know about the nouns and its different kinds. I just now told you the second name of noun is naming words. Now, you can see here the different kinds of noun like man, Anne, girl, Steve, child, grandma, grandpa, Paris, city, school, home, Asia, space, kitchen, dog, cat, whale, lion, bee, bull, lizard, book, pencil, apple, flower, disease, shoe, and cap. Now, with the help of this example, we will see what are the nouns here. Nicky and a dog are playing with football in the garden. Here, Nicky is your noun, dog is your noun, football is a noun, and your garden is your noun here. Now, children, these are the basic kinds of, not kinds, you can say basic definition of a noun. What is a noun? Name of a person, place, animal, or a thing is called a noun. Everything is a noun, which just now I told you. I hope, children, this much is clear to all. Till here, any problem, anything you could not understand, beta, you can ask me in tomorrow's live class. And tomorrow I will be doing your book work, means book exercises. Try to do it yourself today, and tomorrow I will discuss it. Till then, bye. Have a great day. God bless you all. Thank you, beta.